Okay.
Hi Kunal,
Hey, hi.
are you free for quick 6 questions?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, a lot of us are talking about inspiration in the workplace. My first question is, what inspires you at work?
The culture, of course. That's one thing that inspires me the most here.
Okay, and what is one key lesson you've learned over the years at Nuvama Wealth?
Keep things simple. Focus on your execution. That's one of the most important thing here.
Okay, and you've been with Nuvama Wealth for almost a decade. How do you feel about the company's evolution?
Wow, it's been almost a decade now. But one thing that kept me going is this culture, its openness. It's how it gives an opportunity for you to grow every time.
Which do you prioritize more, job satisfaction or productivity?
I think both go in hand. You focus on one, you get the other one easily.
Right. What is the most memorable moment you've had with your team at Nuvama Wealth?
I think more than inside office, you go out of office, connect with people offsite. That's one thing which helps you bond with your team the most.
If you could describe the culture at Nuvama Wealth in one word, what would that be?
Transparency, its openness, how it helps you, connect with everyone around, collaborates. That's the best thing.
Okay, that's all the questions we have for now. Thank you so much.
Thanks.